In the manufacturing sector, automation takes center stage. Robots and computer-controlled systems tirelessly perform repetitive tasks such as assembly, packaging, and quality control. They don't tire, they don't make mistakes, and they work at a speed that humans simply cannot match. This has led to an increase in production speed and accuracy, revolutionizing the industry. Now picture the world of transportation. Here, automation has transformed logistics and even brought us to the cusp of self-driving vehicles. Automated inventory management, order fulfillment, and transportation scheduling systems save time, cut costs, and enhance overall supply chain efficiency. Imagine a world where self-driving vehicles rule the roads, potentially enhancing road safety by reducing the human error factor. Next, we turn to healthcare, where automation plays a critical role in medical diagnosis, patient monitoring, and electronic health record management. Automated systems can analyze vast amounts of medical data, assist in diagnosing diseases, and provide personalized treatment recommendations. They also improve patient care by reducing errors and freeing up healthcare professionals to focus on critical tasks. In agriculture, automation has taken root in a big way. Automated systems monitor and control the environment for optimal crop growth, manage irrigation, and even assist in harvesting. These developments lead to increased agricultural productivity, reduced resource consumption, and improved crop quality. The finance sector also benefits from automation. Tasks such as account management, payment processing, fraud detection, and data analysis are now automated. This reduces human error, ensures compliance with regulations, and increases the speed and accuracy of financial transactions. Customer service, too, has been transformed by automation. Chatbots, virtual assistants, and automated call centers provide immediate responses to frequently asked questions, handle basic inquiries, and assist customers in finding information or resolving issues. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also significantly reduces the workload for human customer service agents. In summary, automation plays a key role in increasing efficiency, productivity, and accuracy across a variety of industries. It allows businesses and organizations to optimize their operations and focus on more complex tasks. However, it's important to remember that this march of progress also raises concerns about job displacement, the need for reskilling, and the ethical implications of replacing human labor with machines. As we continue to navigate the world of automation, these are considerations we must not ignore.